Well, hello there, sassy people. Welcome to Mature Sass. If this is your first time coming to my channel, my name is Linda, and my channel is all about having fun with style and fashion and nails and makeup and skincare. If you love those kinds of things also, please consider subscribing before you go. Well, guys, several days ago during a Sassy Saturday styling session, I was talking about how to pack for a trip to Guyana, Africa. And a few of you loved the head wraps that I did in that video and asked for a tutorial. Now, the one that I've done a tutorial before, and the one that I did previously, a lot of the scarves were very flimsy. So what I thought I would do is let's just do a little refresher tutorial. And I'm going to be using the head wraps that I love most that give you that real pretty fan effect. So let me go to the bathroom where I'm going to have a mirror that I can look into, and let's style some head wraps. Okay, so shall we get started? I have you in the bathroom, so it's going to be looking very much like Mask Monday, and I even have coffee, but it's iced coffee. This peppermint mocha is so good cold. But that's not why we're here. Okay, I am going to take 4 wraps and do examples of how I might wear them. Now, sorry about that. The thing is, your looks are never going to come out exactly the same. They just aren't. But I mean, you can get them close to what you want. And that's the beauty of this particular kind of cotton. It has, I don't even know how to explain it. It has like a waxy feel, but it doesn't feel like wax. It just feels like a very heavy cotton. But the way that it is, whatever way you twist and turn it, it's gonna stay. It's magical. It's beautiful. So let's take this black and white one first, and I just make sure that I have equal amounts on each side. And I just kind of take and bring it up in the front, and I make a bow. Also, if you have longer hair, which is probably everybody, hold on. I used to always put their head, I'll pull it out from under the sink whenever I'm finished with this. But it's like for a wig cap, like if you wear a wig, and it just protects your hair. Now, I just throw it on and go. But if you see, it's just like a pile of fabric, right? But here's the magic. When you start twisting and pulling, it fans out, and it just takes whatever shape you want to pull it in. That's what I love about it. Oops. I don't have the backs on my earrings, so this one came out, sorry. Oh, and 2, make sure you have on some kind of pretty statement earrings. These actually are from my beautiful friend Cher in Northern Ireland. I don't know why I always feel inclined to say that. I think accents are absolutely beautiful. I know poor Cher is probably cringing right now. Why in the world does she mess up my people's accent? Always trying to duplicate it. I love hearing her talk. But anyway, that's where these beautiful earrings came from. Thank you again, Cher. I love them. So you just keep pulling, and then you start tucking. And apparently that earring didn't want to stay in. Normally I have a back on it. But you see, you can just pull, tuck, however you want them to go. Now, if you notice, the one that I had on in that picture, I'm sorry, on the video, see, it took the shape more of like a fan because I had it kind of more so to the front and the bow was tied differently. But if you notice, see, it'll take whatever shape you put it in and it'll stay. And then you can just keep moving it around, playing with it until it looks like you want it to look. You can just tuck it under however you want it to go. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Isn't that pretty? All right, so there's the black and white one. And let's do, I'm just gonna slide this off. Normally I untie it, not gonna worry about it. All right, so the next one, let's take that pretty pink one that has like pink and turquoise and gold. It's so pretty. Now that black and white one I actually got from Poshmark, and I'll link some of those again. One of you told me these, like this one that I got from the company called thecoilygirls. The site, the link didn't work, and I went over to Instagram and I reached out and, you know, asked if orders could still be placed because the link that I put on my channel wasn't working for people. She never got back to me, and I'm thinking, okay, if you have a business and you want to sell product, you might want to answer people. But anyway, I'm sorry guys that that one didn't work. You can look them up on Instagram. It's coily girls, you know, like coily hair. Maybe you'll have better luck getting an order in. I mean, it was as simple as I saw it on Instagram when a young lady asked her and she said that's where she ordered them. I went in and I ordered 2 sets, you know, with the mask. That's probably been a couple of years ago, you know, when things first started happening. And I'm sorry, let's go ahead. Now, for that little side one, I put more fabric on this side than this side. Of course, you want it to be a little bit off. See how this one's shorter, this one's longer. But anyway, like I say, you can reach out and see if maybe you can get somewhere with the young lady that owns thecoilygirls. She still has not answered me back. I'm sorry about that. You know, normally if I put a link like that, I'm trying to make sure that you guys have access to everything. And see, you can pull this really tight and it'll stay. Now I'm going to take this piece and flip it back a little bit because I want it going backwards, I think. You just fan them out. Now, you know what, when I put this on myself, it's not this difficult. I guess because I'm trying to talk it through instead of just doing it. Hold on. You can just keep adjusting them however you want them until you get it in the desired shape that you think looks pretty. See? And you can just tuck it in. And if you want it like under, like not so much in your face, just do a little tuck tuck. It's really just as simple as that, guys. All right, we have 2 more. Hold on. All right, so this one from Coily Girls, I kind of fold it down a little bit, maybe about almost halfway. Because this one's going to be like a front, just like a twist. So it doesn't need to be quite as wide. All right, you just bring it up. Okay, you're going to fold it over, tie it. Okay, then you're just going to start twisting it. And you twist it all the way down. And then you're going to just wrap it around. Like this. And then when you just do the tucks, it just stays. Okay. You want to make sure that you do keep it tucked in because it will stay better. All right, so what do you think? All right, we have one more. I'm trying to think. Let's try one where we're just like putting it more. See, all these have been up. Let's put one down, maybe kind of to the side. All right. Okay, so let's take this and we're going to bring this over and tie it on one side. You want to just kind of smooth and tuck it. And then just twist it. So let's bring it in a twist, tuck it underneath. You can even just tuck it wherever you can find like a little pocket, just tuck it in. All right, what do you think, guys? I know that this was not like the way that it appears on when I'm doing a video, but for some reason when I'm explaining it instead of just slapping it on doing it, it just looks different. But when I'm just doing it for the day, I just come in and do like this and pull, and then I'm on my way. But anyway, thanks for coming by and hanging out with me. I do appreciate it, and I hope those of you that wanted to try head wraps, that this gave you a little bit of inspiration on just how easy it is to just twist and manipulate these. You can push them up, fan them up, put them to the side, but make sure that you have that Ankara cloth, 100% cotton, because for some reason it just twists better and you'll get a better look. All right, thanks for coming by, and make sure if you're not subscribed to my channel that you hit that subscribe button. And everybody, please thumbs up the video before you go, and even share it if you're so inclined. Make sure you're staying safe and healthy, and be blessed, be kind, and be sassy. I'll see you.